This treatment is stronger than Botox. This is a very natural way to get rid of those saggy skin, remove fine lines and wrinkles. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing to this channel if you love beauty tips. Turn on the bell as well so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. If you have wrinkles already, this treatment will help you greatly to get rid of those wrinkles. In case you want to minimize the appearance, you want to maintain your youthfulness, you can try this as well. In case you don't have wrinkles yet, you want to delay the signs of aging, you want to delay wrinkles from coming so fast, you can try this treatment and you will never regret it. This contains 2 ingredients, only 2 ingredients will do a good job for you. Maintaining your skin, penetrate into your skin to nourish your skin, tighten a loose skin, get rid of saggy neck, remove all those saggy look you have, laugh lines, deep wrinkles. But you have to be consistent and follow the instructions for better results. Before telling you the contents in here, you have to know that steaming your face, steaming your skin is very important. So this is a way to open your skin pores, make the skincare treatments you apply on your skin to penetrate well and work better. Steaming your face also makes your skin tighter, boosting the collagen content in your skin and keeping your skin more youthful, tightening and firm up your skin, rebuilding the elasticity of your skin and preventing your skin from sagging. So always make sure once in a while you steam your skin. Like if it's the face you want to steam, what you have to do is to get a bowl, non-plastic. Add a very hot water. Please make sure the water is hot so that it will be bringing out the steam from it. Then you have to face directly towards the steam. You have to put your face towards the steam. The steam need to touch your skin, not so hot anyway. Do not put it so close. Just make sure it's touching you. You'll be feeling the heatness. That is how to steam your skin. And this is a very powerful way to get rid of toxins. You build up toxins on your skin. This will also help to treat acne, pimples. It gets rid of dark spots. This is the best way to take care of your skin. Why creams and lotions don't work for people is because some people don't steam their skin. You have to apply some hotness, some warmness to the skin. So in order to revive your skin, bring out so many toxins that makes your skin look dull, look old. After steaming your skin, then the next thing you have to do is to get clove. So after steaming your skin, you have to get clove. Like the clove, okay? For those that don't know clove, this is clove. So this is clove stick. You can see it. This is clove stick. But the one you have to make use of is the powdered clove. This is the powdered clove. Smells so nice. Clove is very nourishing for the skin. It contains skin firming properties, contains antioxidant that helps to fight free radical damage, that makes your skin age faster. So I'm going to show you how to prepare an oil with this, combining with a very important oil that will penetrate into your skin, nourish your skin, to make sure you are looking more younger than your age. So this is the oil you have to make use of. Okay, this is sunflower oil. I love sunflower oil because it's very light. This is an oil that will not clog your skin. This is an oil that will glow your skin, tightens a loose skin, firms the skin, giving you a glowy, beautiful skin. So you have to try this out, sunflower oil. In case you do not have sunflower oil, you can make use of almond oil. So almond oil contains vitamin E. It's also very nice for the skin. It's very firming, helping to take care of your skin. But I prefer sunflower oil because it absorbs very well into the skin without clogging your skin. So what you have to do is to measure for a small size like this quantity, okay? I measured 2 tablespoons of clove powder. I measured 2 tablespoons of this clove powder. I added into the bowl. Then you have to add more of the oil. Make sure the oil is enough to cover the clove, okay? Just add as many as you like. Like this particular one has stayed overnight. You can see the upper layer. Okay, this is bringing out the color already, and that is how it should be. So what you have to do after mixing them together, you have to mix with spoon, mix them thoroughly. Then you have to keep this for about some hours. I left mine all through the night and it's so beautiful. So just leave it on for some hours. So once in a while, you just go and stir it, mix it, and that is how it's done. So before you apply this, anytime you want to apply it, you just have to steam your skin. Use a warm towel or you just steam it. Allow your face to face towards the steam. This is going to help greatly to open the skin pores, helping to allow this to work well. So after that, you have to apply some oil. Okay, just apply some oil and massage your skin upwardly. Just massage it upwardly. Massage your neck, just move it upwardly. So this is going to prevent your skin from sagging. It tightens the skin. Try this oil and you will never regret it. Massaging your skin is a very great way to firm your skin, to obtain that youthful skin. Okay, just go on and steam your skin. Then mix these two ingredients, sunflower oil and clove. Mix them together, store it in a cool place. Whenever you want to make use of it, steam your skin, then apply it, massage it upwardly, and you're all good. So you have to use this treatment every night, once daily, but every night for best results. With consistency, you see that you'll be looking younger all the time. Next morning, you just have to wash it off. Use a cleanser or a gentle soap to wash off the treatment, and you see that your skin will be looking more beautiful and younger. Go on and mix these two ingredients together, apply it on your skin, massage it upwardly, and you will love your skin. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.